Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Seneca 035, advise we have the runway in sight.
Runway in sight for 035.
035, right base 14, clear to land.
Right base 14, clear to land, 035.
529, good job. You kept them from turning down 19. They wanted to, didn't they?
Oh yeah.
Bad juju. You owe your instructor an extra Coca-Cola.
He's learning.
529, Bravo Alpha, cross 1 to the hood.
Bravo, cross 1 to the hood, crew track 529. Have a good night, Mr.
You know, it's almost like forgetting your gear. There's those who have and those who will, and anybody says they didn't and they have any time, stay away from them. They're a liar.
You know what they say, how do you know you forgot to put your gear down? You need full power to taxi back.
I don't know, Rollins told me, man, those Q-tip props, they don't make much sense.
Yeah, I've heard. Gear down and lock for 035.